Hello and welcome, I'm Maginpanic and today we're gonna watch a Brawl Stars Blizzard Beach. It's a 2D animated video and well, it's only 45 seconds long, so I guess it's the shortest video from Brawl Stars. That's pretty sad. I love their work and I wish the videos could be like, I don't know, like 5 minutes or 10. That would be wonderful. I don't know. Let's just watch it. I appreciate their work. It's such a good quality on every single video. Right from the bat, something that I noticed: we are on the beach. Okay, that introduction shot, very good. Something that sells the environment and where we are in the current situation, sells it more with this little mesh wrap that's going around the entire image. You can see that everything is kind of waving. That's what's happening when it's so hot and the air, that hot air disturbs the vision a little. I appreciate that little detail that sells the idea a little more. Right before we saw these feet on this hot sand. That frame that I will look at again. I always love when something like this is happening. Smear frame. It's not only the smear frames are not always work in the same way. So that's another way to put smear frames. You can see them as stretching the image, so the image is stretched. The other way is here to actually multiply a part of the feed, so you have it on there, and that's a cool thing. Rest in peace. Danger. Why would you go to the beach which is full of landmines? I like the animation in the glass. Pretty simplistic, but it sells the story. Nice waves. I would love to see them drawn a little better. They are doing incredible work with those special effects. And to be honest, those waves are weak. I love those streams of water around. Kind of reminded me that character from Hilda, that stone character. Lovely stream of the water. To be continued. Were there any post-credit scenes? No. Just this short video. Okay. What else I can tell about it? I like the animation of the sand here. Very limited, couple frames. Everything sells the story. As I said, just a limited video that have everything here that needs to sell it. Something that I was thinking when the wave is hitting the ground near us, and we can see on the bottom there is a little line of, I don't know if it's like a sand that being pushed by the water, and in the next frame we supposed to see the water come out on the screen and flush it, maybe for a second or something. And instead of that we have another wave, and then we have this underwater. So it's kind of like a delayed process, and something that's not working with me well is, oh, I see. It's not like a sand that's getting out, just the shape of the shape of this water, of this foam, creates this effect. That's something I would try to avoid if I would draw it. Like this one shape. That tricked me. Okay. Well, overall, I like this video. The amount of details we have underwater, and we have this huge character on the back that's going there, and the water is just going out, so the character unreveals. It have these water streams here that I appreciate. That's a well-made video. The only thing that I would slightly change is this water. It could just look just a little different. Because I feel is the weakest thing of this video in this one scene. Other than that, the character animation is very cool, limited as for their videos. It's not a long video. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Brawl Stars, Bizarre Beach. I wouldn't go to the beach. It's full of weird things, and tsunami on the beach. I don't want to be on the beach when there is a tsunami. Please, no. Have a wonderful day. Have a sick day. See you around. Cheers.